Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar security cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. All right. So let's dive into the list. At number 5, we have the Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor by IHOX TX. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $29.99, making it the most affordable on our list. Despite its low price, it offers some surprising features, starting with its 2K resolution for clear, detailed footage. It also has an IP66 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand rain and dust, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. The camera includes a motion sensor alarm that can emit a loud sound to deter intruders, and it even allows you to communicate through its two-way audio feature. However, the build quality reflects its budget price, with a lightweight design that may not feel as durable as higher-end models. Additionally, the night vision range is limited to 59 inches, which might not be sufficient for larger spaces. Overall, this camera is a great entry-level option for those who need basic outdoor surveillance without breaking the bank. It's ideal for monitoring small areas like porches or garages. However, it lacks advanced features like wide viewing angles or intelligent AI detection. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a more comprehensive security solution. Coming in at number 4 is the Seamwa Solar Security Camera. For just $35.99, this camera offers a 2K resolution and a 360-degree panoramic view, making it an excellent mid-range choice for homeowners. Its standout feature is the color night vision, which provides vibrant and clear visuals even in low-light conditions, thanks to its integrated spotlight. The camera is powered entirely by solar energy, meaning you don't have to worry about running wires or replacing batteries frequently. It also boasts IP65 waterproofing, so it can handle tough weather conditions. A key advantage is its PIR motion detection, which reduces false alarms by distinguishing between humans, animals, and vehicles. However, the app interface can be a bit clunky, and the camera lacks support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which could limit connectivity in some households. Overall, the Seamwa camera provides excellent value for its price, especially for users who need wide coverage and reliable night vision. It's ideal for larger yards or driveways. However, if you need advanced AI features or higher storage capacity, you may want to consider higher-end options. At number 3, we have the ToveOR Solar Security Camera, priced at $79.99 for a pack of 2. This camera is a fantastic option for those looking to cover multiple areas of their home. It offers 2K resolution and a 360 degrees rotating view, giving you comprehensive coverage. Its color night vision is enhanced with white lights and infrared sensors, ensuring clear footage up to 33 feet, even in complete darkness. This device is 100% wireless, powered by a removable solar panel and a rechargeable battery. It also features advanced motion detection with the ability to differentiate between humans, pets, and vehicles, reducing false alerts. With two-way audio, you can communicate directly through the camera, making it great for screening visitors or deterring intruders. However, while it offers reliable cloud storage and SD card options, its app interface may feel a bit basic compared to premium competitors. The ToveOR camera is a solid choice for families or homeowners who want an affordable yet versatile security solution. Its dual-pack setup is perfect for monitoring multiple areas, like a backyard and front porch simultaneously. However, it might not be the best option for users seeking AI-powered face recognition or ultra-high resolution. Our runner-up is the Seamwa 2K Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor, priced at $99.99 for a pack of 2. These cameras are designed for comprehensive outdoor coverage, featuring 360-degree pan and tilt capabilities and crisp 2K resolution. The standout feature here is the combination of color night vision and a bright spotlight, which ensures clear, vibrant footage even in pitch-black conditions. Equipped with a removable solar panel, these cameras offer reliable, year-round power with minimal maintenance. The PIR motion detection system is highly sensitive, reducing false alarms and sending instant alerts to your smartphone when activity is detected. Installation is quick and user-friendly, with flexible mounting options for walls and ceilings. However, the cameras lack support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which might limit connectivity in certain setups. This dual-camera setup is perfect for larger properties or anyone needing coverage from multiple areas. The durable IP65 waterproof design makes it a great option for extreme weather conditions. While it doesn't have AI-driven detection or advanced storage options, its ease of use and solid performance make it an excellent value for the price. Taking the top spot is the Eufy Security Eufy Cam S330 Eufy Cam 3. At $699.90 for a 4-camera kit, this premium option is packed with advanced features that justify its price. It offers stunning 4K resolution with a starlight system for crystal clear night vision, outperforming traditional 180p and even 2K cameras. The integrated solar panel requires just 2 hours of sunlight for continuous operation, making it incredibly low maintenance. What sets the Eufy Cam S330 apart is its AI-powered bionic mind technology, capable of recognizing faces and distinguishing between friends, strangers, and animals. This ensures you only receive alerts that matter. The local storage system is expandable up to 16 terabytes and uses military-grade encryption, eliminating the need for cloud subscriptions and ensuring your data stays private. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant. This camera is ideal for tech-savvy users who want the best in security and smart home integration. Its robust build and weatherproof design ensure durability, while its advanced features make it the ultimate choice for comprehensive home protection. The only downside is its high price, but if you want top-notch performance and cutting-edge technology, the Eufy Cam S330 is unmatched. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, stay safe and take care.